They had just started to sit down to have cake when the warnings went off.
For more than 50 years, Bona Vista has been building a foundation for success for children and adults in Kokomo. But on November 17, 2013, Kokomo was struck by tornadoes that devastated homes and businesses across the community.
The windows busted in and the ceiling tiles started to fall.
Thankfully, there were no serious injuries and no loss of life. But Bona Vista sustained significant damages to buildings that house programs vital to its consumers.
It was just a lot to walk out and see somebody's car overturned and see the building that was across the street was totally gone. Just being thankful that that wasn't my building. That wasn't what I had to deal with. And being thankful that everybody could just walk out by themselves.
They are beautiful people. They may not be able to talk to us or explain exactly what they want and they need, but they are so expressive. They're excited. They want to come to their day program so that they can be with their friends. They are very social. They like to do crafts and activities. They love to go out into the community.
Bona Vista's Community Connections program strives to offer a meaningful day and experiences uniquely structured for each consumer. Here, consumers are learning to develop daily living skills. They have opportunities to stimulate curiosity and intellectual development.
I think the first thought is to shy away, but taking a moment to really get to know them, to invest just a little bit in their lives makes such a huge difference. There's someone who's ready to just give a big smile and give hugs and say they love me, and they're just unconditional. And it's just a neat group of folks. We just try to do everything we can to make their day purposeful.
The new building will better accommodate individuals in wheelchairs and other adaptive equipment. Staff and consumers won't have to struggle transitioning from room to room. Your donation to Bona Vista's new building will impact the lives of children and adults in the community. Bona Vista has embarked on an exciting new building project. The new building will replace the one destroyed by the tornado. New spaces have been specifically designed to accommodate new activities that will provide Bona Vista's consumers with meaningful experiences. With over 8,000 square feet, the new building will be bright and spacious. And the exterior design will offer a fresh look that fits nicely into the surrounding neighborhood. The new home to Bona Vista's Community Connections will be inspiring and inviting. Please consider carefully your contribution to Bona Vista's new building. Bona Vista's Community Connections program is vital to Kokomo residents. Bona Vista, enriching lives, enhancing abilities. We thank you for your support. Special thank you to Solidarity Community Federal Credit Union for sponsoring this video.